Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to check transaction history on Trust Wallet. First of all, open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, in order to check the transaction history, you will first need to tap on the target crypto. Like if I tap on Bitcoin, you can see that there is no history present, but if there is, it will be displayed right here. Just like this, you can select any other crypto and check the history. But for some reason, if you can't use this feature, then tap on the history button at the right side of the screen and all of the available transaction history will appear in front of you. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.